This is my Fngeen 7008, and this is the original bracelet. It's a nasty bracelet of poor quality. It has sharp edges. I tried to sand the edges, but after a while I gave up. So this goes in the garbage. I ordered a new bracelet on AliExpress. This is a 20mm Milanese watch band. I paid $3.89 for this Milanese bracelet, including shipping, and 4 pins are included as well. That's great because I miss one pin. I lost one pin on this watch, so let's install this Milanese watch band. So, what do you think? It sure looks elegant. The Fngeen 7008 on a golden colored Milanese watch band that I purchased on AliExpress.